Welcome you all in Embedded Infotech Private Limited. In this video, we are going to cover interview questions on JavaScript. In an interview, there can be a question, how to get or display output in JavaScript. Friends, there are 4 ways to display output in JavaScript. First is document.write, second window.alert, third console.log, and fourth is inner HTML. When we use document.write, it will display output on HTML page. When we use window.alert, it will display output in model popup. When we use console.log, it will display output in browser console. And when we use inner HTML, it will display output in HTML element. So friends, let's see practically. Here I am going to create one HTML file with the name output.html. Bring the skeleton structure of HTML. Now, if you want to write JavaScript code in HTML file, for that we need to write script tag. Whatever the code we write in a script tag, that code will be considered as JavaScript code. So let's see how we can get output by using document.write. Friends, in this, document is an object and write is a method. Whatever we write in the document.write, it will display output on a HTML page. So in this, I'm going to write welcome you all in Embedded. Now give the semicolon. I save the file and execute the file. Copy path, go to your browser and paste here and enter key. You can see friends, here we are getting output of it. Friends, when we use document.write method, so it will display output on a browser. In the document.write, what you can also write the expression. Let's look at here once again. Now instead of writing any text or in a double quote, you can use 10 plus 20 and save the file once again. Go to your browser and look at the output. Here we are getting 30 as an output. So friends, whenever you print output by using document.write, it will print the output in a same line. So we use here br tag to break the line and bring the output on a next line. Correct? So in this way, we can get an output by using document.write method. Second is window.alert. So it will display output in a model popup. So let's see. So I'm going to write the all code in my script tag only. Use of window.alert method is there. So write window.alert. So again friends, window is the object and alert is a method. Here you can write any string. Hello everyone. Give the semicolon. Save your file. Now already we have given the path of our file name here and just refresh it. You can see first we are getting output what? Hello everyone of our window.alert method. When you press OK, then we will get output of document.write. Same friends, you can use here or you can write any expression in window.alert also. So I just copy and paste here, and instead of writing any text, I use here 5 into 6. So now what will happen in this case? In this case, first output will be what? Hello everyone. Second output will be its multiplication, that it will be 30. Save, go to your browser and refresh it once again. Now first what we are getting output? Hello everyone. Second we are getting 30, and third we are getting output of document.write method. So friends, in this way you can get output of window.alert, or you can use it. Second, console.log. So it will display output in a browser console. Basically console.log is used for testing purpose, and it will never display the output on a HTML page. It will display the output on browser console. So let's see how we can get it. I'm going to write here use of console.log. Again friends, console is here one object and log is a method. Same here, you can write any text and expression also. I write here I am a React trainer. Give the semicolon, save your file, go to your browser and refresh it. Now first of all we are getting output of what? Window.alert. Now if you want to get output of your console.log, so how we can get it? Right click, click on the inspect element, and here you can see we have here one element console. So just click on the console and you can see we are getting output here. So whatever you write in a console.log, you will get output in the browser console. Same, if you want to write any expression, you can use here. So I write here one method 50 divided by 2. Save it, go to your browser and refresh it once again. So we are getting output of window.alert first, and in the console you can see we are getting output of second statement, that is 25. Now friends, here we saw these three methods. Fourth one is what? Inner HTML or DOM. So if you want to display output in an HTML element, so for that we use inner HTML. So first of all we have to create one element, and in that we have to write the data. So let's see how we can do this. So friends, in inner HTML, first of all we want one element. So friends, outside our script tag, but inside a body tag I'm going to create one element. Suppose you can create any element. I'm going to use here h1, and to this h1 element I'm going to give the ID, and you can give the any ID. I write here d1. Initially the h1 element is blank. Now I want to display output in between the two tag or in this element. So let's see how we can display the output, or how we can put the output or data in between these two tag or in between this element. So by using what? DOM method. So friends, just look at here what I'm going to write. Use of inner HTML. So first of all we need to write here document object. So this is the object which represents our current HTML page. Then there is one method with the name get element by ID. So this method will find the element in our current document. So I write here d1. So it will return this whole HTML element, complete HTML element. Now I want to write some data in between these two tags. So for that you need to write here dot inner HTML, and to put a data inside we use assignment operator, and we write here the data whatever we want to display. I write here hematite infotech private limited. Save the file. Now this information or data will be placed or put in between these two tags. Let's see. First of all I save the file, go to your browser refresh it. Now it will give us output of what? Our window.alert, then second 30, and you can see friends, here we are getting output of Hematite Infotech Private Limited, then document.write, and then console also. So friend, in this way we can get a output or display output on a browser or console or model pop-up or in an element in JavaScript. Thanks for watching this video. Friends, if you like the video, don't forget to hit like button and to subscribe this channel.